Hey, thanks for joining me. Apologies about the last video. We had a little snafu with the camera, so I'm going to take that down and this will be the repost. So in the future, hopefully nobody will know about that mistake. So I'm going to be unboxing the Starlink satellite internet system from Space Systems, Elon Musk's company. So this is a beta, and I'm currently in Portland, Oregon, one of the limited betas. Long term, I'll do another video. Long term, I intend on this will be the primary internet at home in Central Oregon. But for now, we're just running this as a backup internet for my home. So let's go ahead and get started. So very large box delivered by UPS. Guy in a Santa suit, ironic. So very straightforward and simple instructions, as you've seen in some other videos, and literally that's it. That is all the instructions you get for sticking a satellite internet on your house. Good luck. Set that aside. Heavy duty plastic here. And here's in the box. In here. So very solid metal tripod here. Notice it's got some areas to bolt down and looks pretty simple. See what else we have. So it is regulatory notices. It is looks like all over Ethernet, so it does come with its own router. Very sleek looking, as you would expect from Elon Musk's companies. Pretty straightforward and simple. It's all power over Ethernet. So we're at let's see, PoE outputs at 1.56. So yeah, this is going to be pretty low power requirements. I am actually going to plug this into my Ubiquiti router as a backup, but for now we'll test it out using what's built in. Satellite dish, a little heavy, but as you would expect, flat surface. Looks pretty solid. A little large, as my wife pointed out, but this should be a great test case. For now, I'm going to put this back in the box, and we're going to take this downstairs. I will set it up on the back porch, and we'll get some speed tests done and see how it works. So for now, we'll pause the video and come back in a little bit. Thanks.